If you post content on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you want to mark your media as sensitive, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is useful if you share content that may not be suitable for everyone, and it helps give viewers a clear warning before they open your media. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More. This will open up additional options for your account and settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and safety options. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account behaves and what kind of content settings you can change. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, click Your Posts. Here you'll find options related to the content you publish on X. Now look for the setting that says Mark Media. You post as having material that may be sensitive. Toggle this option on. Once it's enabled, media you upload will be marked with a sensitive content warning, helping viewers know what to expect before they view it. And that's it. You've now turned on the sensitive media setting for your posts on Seer. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.